Good morning. Today is Wednesday, March 4th, 2026. We're here at Jolington Creek, and this is an after video for latitude adjustment. Before we show you the bottom of the boat, we're just going to go over a few zincs. We also did a little bit of labor getting this uncaught from the port prop. The zincs, you have two R4 rudder zincs, two R4 trim tab zincs, and two 1 3/8 inch shaft zincs, and P1. So we're going to go ahead and clean it up. We're going to go ahead and get the after video of the hull, and we'll go from there. Thank you for choosing DS Stat.